This morning I'm going to make a cardboard guitar. I printed this off Google image. So now what I'm going to do is cut it out as best as I can. Right, I've just got these two cardboard bits. I cut them out and I'm just going to draw around it as best as I can. Now, the hard bit, cutting it out. Now I'm going to try and cut the panels out. And now what I'm going to do is try and roll this up so it's easy to get around the corners. What I forgot to do is the hole. Okay, now I'm going to start by putting the glue around it. See how... As you can see, I glued all the way around, and now I need to do this long piece here. Okay, nearly coming towards the end of this. Now, this is it. It's getting the top on. It's getting the top on. How do we do that? Well, let's give it a go. So here we go. This is the guitar. All I need to do now is clean around the sides and get my daughter to put stickers or whatever she wants on it, and she can take it to school. I've just added some strings to it. I'm going to finish the rest off in a bit. I'm going to have a cup of tea. Well, I've done it, and all my daughter needs to do now is decorate it.